This is in relation to our visit at the Congress. We were the resource speaker. Together with me is the Honorable Attorney Mars Tapayan. And we have expressed our support on the House Bill number 5549 on reclassifying as agricultural land a parcel of land of the public domain located in the city of Ozamis, province of Misamis Occidental, to an open disposition for agriculture, commercial, residential, industrial purposes. This remarkable legislation coming from the authors, the Honorable Henry Uwaminal and Honorable Sancho Fernando Uwaminal, needs to be supported, Madam Chair. That is why this representation, considering that we have a staggering 11,000 informal settlers out of the 149,000 population in the city of Ozamis, and the project in Malaubang is a very, very important project addressing our problem on informal settlers and also the elevation of our poverty. This representation finds it's very important to express our support, a resolution expressing our support to House Bill number 5549, Madam Chair. And I so
House Bill
move
number
5549. And if you allow me, Madam Chair, maybe I would
Yes,
like to
go.
move for a resolution expressing our support to that bill. Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
Honorable Sir, I join the motion. It will be a joint motion because we express our full and strong support to the said House Bill filed by Honorable Sancho Fernando Waminal and Honorable Henry Waminal Jr. in Congress to convert the area in Malaubang classified as timberland to an inalienable and disposable public land so that it can be ceded to private individuals. We manifested in Congress that our support of the LGO on behalf of the City Mayor, Atty. Sam Pides, was because for more than 30 years, the people in Laobang, that area, the community, are aspiring to have the security of tenure and the position of their possessed land in that area for many years. They've been promised by several politicians before, but sad to say, wala agad